If you'd like to update your trim or you have broken glass, stay tuned. In preparation to ordering, you want to refer to this as a trim grill window insert kit. And you also want to get the measurement of your door size. Hook your tape measure on the bottom of the door, and it's almost 80 inches and they round it off. Standard doors are 80 inches in height. Then they come in different size widths, and this one is 36 inches. Then you want to get your trim measurement, 24 by 38. And if they don't have it in stock at your box store, you can purchase it through their window and door department. Also go online, I believe they have them on Amazon. Although I did not purchase new trim, nor is the glass broken, this video is about disassemble and reassemble. For some reason my door doesn't have the little caps that cover the fasteners, and yours might. And they will be located on the interior side of the door, and you just get a little screwdriver and pop them out. Now, since I'll be removing the glass and trim, I think it'd be a lot easier to work on if I pop those hinges. I'm using this as a shim underneath this piece. And just snug it up and get your big nail or a punch. One of the problems with the bottom hinge is it doesn't give you enough room. The other way is you get a screwdriver right here on the top. You get on that lip and you twist your screwdriver and pry it up. Now I'm going to remove the bottom one first, then the middle one. Got it supported with some sawhorses, and you want the support under the glass area. Now we want to remove these Phillip head screws all the way around the trim. All right. Wasn't even stuck. Now we'll just let the door rock right off there. Huh. Yeah. Look, it's broken. Apply a bead of silicone around the trim to seal the glass, only on the exterior side. Little dab of oil on your hinge pin. Now that you've got the trim looking good, let me help you paint the door. I'll leave a link in the description. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Any questions, comments, leave down below.